Transcribing visual images into a tactile version for blind readers is a difficult task. Often tactile graphics are created by laymen, such as colleagues, classmates, friends or personal assistants. Even professionals sometimes prepare tactile graphics that are incomprehensible or too complex. Proofreading tactile graphics can help to overcome quality problems. The Tangram workstation enables a blind or visually impaired user to access a currently evolving graphic and act as a lector. For drawing the graphics, we use the open-source application Draw from the Office suite LibreOffice. The Tangram extension takes a screenshot of the current visible drawing area and turns it into a black and white tactile image. For displaying the tactile image, we use a two-dimensional dynamic pin matrix display. The display has a resolution of about 10 dots per inch and is capable of capturing gesture input. Several interaction controls surround the display area. A braille keyboard on the back allows for text and command inputs. Rocker switches enable zooming operations and a navigation bar on the front can be used for panning operations. The user can navigate and manipulate objects using the two 5-key cursor keypads. Selecting. A visually impaired user can select shapes by navigating through all shapes of a graphic via key commands or by pointing gestures. The user can manipulate selected shapes using the direction keys of the right cursor keypad. 5 manipulation modes are available. Moving, to position shapes on the sheet. Scaling, to change the width and height. Rotating, in 1 or 15-degree steps, clock or counterclockwise. Change the fill style. The user can select one out of several different predefined tactile filling patterns. Change the line style of the outline. The user can change the thickness of a line and choose from 3 line styles. Blind and visually impaired users should also be able to independently draw images. In our workstation, we provide 4 different ways to initially create shapes that can be adapted afterwards. First of all, users can capture the silhouette of real-world objects. A Microsoft Kinect 3D depth camera, above the drawing area, captures the shadow silhouette of any object placed on the tactile display, and turns it into a shape in the drawing document.
Object detected and added.
The silhouette shape is placed at the same position as the real object. The user can freely manipulate the captured shape afterwards. Predefined standard shapes can be chosen out of a set of shapes.
Dialog main menu.
A Braille text-based menu lists all available shapes, such as rectangle, triangle, circle,
shapes.
and so on.
Line. Triangle. Square. Rectangle. Draw rectangle. Rectangle _1 selected.
The chosen shape is placed in the drawing document and can be manipulated as well. For a more direct and fast access to standard or predefined shapes, users can use gestures to create shapes. Performing a gesture on the drawing area will create a shape of size and position corresponding to the performed gesture. Complex and freely defined shapes are sometimes hard to create with the previously presented methods. For drawing freehand figures, we installed a wireless stylus pen on the workstation. The stylus has a soft, brush-like pen tip to not damage the tactile display and to not get harmed by the irregular display surface. The stylus digitizes the user's drawing while pressing the stylus tip on the display surface.
Bezier curve _12
The
selected.
digitized path is immediately displayed as a traceable line underneath the pen tip on the tactile display. After lifting the stylus, the tracked path is turned into a smoothed curve and added to the drawing as modifiable shape. Users can produce open-line drawings or closed shapes with the pen. Users can even manipulate the single points of the created freeforms. Resulting images can be printed, embossed or shared in multiple document types. The project Tangram and the drawing extension Mosaic are funded by the German Federal Ministry for Labor and Social Affairs as well as the TU Dresden.